Manikin on. What you'll see is some lights up in the nappy, and exactly like the adult Manikin, when you start your compressions, you're going to get some feedback to make sure you're doing CPR effectively. 2 green lights to make sure you're doing it properly. A flashing yellow light if you're going a bit too fast, or a single green or a single red or a single yellow if you're not doing CPR effectively. If those lights are not working or the mannequin is not turning on, we just need to open up the battery compartment. From there, just grab a spoon, a knife or something to stick into that compartment to lift open that lid. Take that lid off and you can pull open the battery compartment here. From there, the batteries will just be sitting in here, so just replace them or change them around. Replace that compartment back and you can test it by just turning that device on and off again. From there, we're just going to replace the device back into the nappy and put the lid back onto the compartment. From there again, just test it to make sure the infant is still working.